You know, it's just a nice, calm Tuesday evening after work. It's 5:41, and my water tastes like it's from a pond. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, I am looking a little like, oh, actually kind of glowy right now because please don't bite my straw on my Stanley. No wonder I'm sick. Today, I'm doing another haul video. I haven't done a haul, I feel like, in a while. I mean, to you guys, probably not, but to me, I haven't really been I don't know. I guess I have, but I haven't. I feel like I've said in previous videos, 75 hard is like taking over my life. It's a whole thing. Let's see how long this hoodie stays on. I do love it though. It's Self-Love Club from Target. Very cute. This is me after work. After I go for my work, my second workout of the day, and shower and, you know, all that. I just forgot to tone, but I will tone my face after. This is what I look like. Yesterday was Memorial Day. I got a bunch of packages that were supposed to come, you know, because of the holiday. I did get a package from Skims. I got some stuff from TJmaxx yesterday. So if you guys would like to see what I got, then keep watching. Please just ignore my kind of wet, kinked hair and just weird chill vibes in this video. I don't need any more cups. I got this pink butterfly cup because obviously this just screamed me. It was really cute for the summertime. Very adorable. I don't need any more cups, but this one was like calling to me. Also, I apologize. I have been sick, so if I sound weird or I cough or this is edited weird, that's obviously why. TJmaxx has not been hitting. The last couple times I've went, I feel like they've just been pretty like they just don't have a lot of stuff. Either that or I'm just like growing up and I'm realizing, hey, I really don't need 10 things of conditioner. I did restock on my It's a 10 keratin because I do love this. This may sound really bad, so no hair people come for me, but this is what I do. Once I get like almost to the end, I fill it up with water and I just keep using it until it's gone because I'm psycho. I have money, I could go buy another one, but why do that when you can get 2 uses out of 1? So this was $14.99 at TJmaxx. The packaging's gone because I had to like shove it in my purse. Onyx Professional Cracked Heel Stick. I'm in a little bit of a dilemma. My feet are just not it. I wear press-on toenails. Yes, I'm one of those girlies. And I also do my own nails, as you guys know, and I do press-ons. I've been doing this since COVID happened, basically. Just my feet are not it. And I really debated if I wanted to go to a nail salon and get a pedicure for realsies or just to take care of it myself. So we are currently in taking care of it myself mode. Guess you rub this on your feet and it's supposed to help your heels get soft because I get pretty rough feet, and even though I scrub them and I take care of them and all that, they still get kind of gross. So we'll try that out before resulting to going to the nail salon. Got another 2-pack of these RBX shorts to wear to work out in and just to wear in general. Some biker shorts. My only downside is they do not have pockets, but they were $19.99 for 2 of them. And RBX is one of my favorite legging brands that I love to wear, specifically like the buttery soft material, not really like the shiny reflective. I don't really like that. Love these. They were there. I was looking for specifically more RBX leggings and they just didn't have any, or they had them without pockets, and I was like, girl, I just can't live without pockets. I need pockets on my leggings now. Set of sports bras. I have recently cleaned out my entire closet. As you guys know, the last few months I got rid of all my old workout stuff from years ago that I'm like, why am I keeping this? There's still some bras in there that need to go that I'm holding on to, but until that day, I just ended up getting a couple. These are from Yogalicious. I keep thinking this is like a high-end brand. I really don't. $58, maybe it is. You crazy? I got this for $16.99. Just a hot pink and a black. Very cute, just so I can wear when I work out, since I'm working out. And we are not going back to the way things were. Mark my words, we are not going back to the way things were at all. I don't care how sad I get. I don't care what happens in life. I am not going back to being sad and lonely and pond water. Why does it taste like a pond? It's from my work. Work is a pond. Crossover. Okay, anyways, I already opened it. Naturally. I have text alerts from Skims, which is probably really bad, but I do. I guess they're doing a whole bunch of like group sets of things, so I wanted to hop on that, and of course they had neon colors, so I may or may not have gotten a few sets of things. But the one lone item that I did get, I got another one of these tank tops. I forgot what they're called, like the everyday tank, I don't know. One of these crop tanks, that new cotton candy color, just because I really liked it. And I was going to get the boxers to match, then I realized, you know what? Let's just not, because you'll see. You'll see what I did. Fits everybody. Yay, I'm so excited. What was that face? Fits everybody boy shorts. in all the neon colors because I've never had the fits everybody ones. I just had the seamless ones, which I love, the smoothing ones. But I am super excited because I saw neon on her side. I was like, girl, I don't care if it's my underwear, I'm wearing it. Especially for summertime, super cute. Neon scoop bralettes. I love these bralettes so much. And look at the pretty colors. Just pink and guys, I might have to walk around in public in these. No, I won't. I just really love the scoop bralettes a lot. They're very comfortable, very supportive for me. If you are a girl like me and have a bigger chest, I really love the bralettes, the scoop bralettes specifically, but they're the only ones I've tried. Anything neon just makes my heart sing. So Kim, thank you. Thank you for this. Thank you so much. And she also had like box sets of her tank tops and her boxers, so hence I bought the 3-pack of boxers. I don't know what colors these are besides black, gray, and like lighter gray. I don't know the technical colors, but I got the boxers because I'm insane. Hi. Also got the tank tops to match them. Or to wear by themselves, whatever. I don't know. I'm just, I love Skims. I can't explain to you guys. I just love Skims. And also for the record, I will go off the record for a moment, basically, or retract what I said, that everything I've loved from Skims has been amazing quality, has been the best. Not everything has been great, amazing quality. Okay, the t-shirts, the soft smoothing ones. I have a couple that are see-through as hell and I will never wear them out in public, which is unfortunate because I spent a lot of money on them, and why did I do that? Yes, I know. Why did I do that? Stupid. Live and learn. I love Skims. I'm wearing a Skims tank top right now as we speak. That's probably covered in fuzz. Yep, covered in fuzz. But I love her stuff, okay? That's just what I choose to spend my money on. Moving on. So next we are going to go into... The only thing I have to open this stuff is like a plug. So that's what we're going to do. Did I see that Lena the plug got married? Like what? I miss when like her ratchet... I shouldn't say her ratchet era, but I should say when I first found her on YouTube when she was friends with Hannah, like that era, like 2017. I miss old Lena, okay? I love her. But I did end up ordering a few things off of Amazon, just gone viral on TikTok so many times, but I wanted to get it for myself. I wanted the gift set, but I was like, heck with it. You know what? I don't need the whole gift set. I got the Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth perfume. We'll see how good this is. I love perfume. I can't wear it to work, but I still love it and I wear it anyway, so. I really don't wear perfume to work, so any of my coworkers watching this or my boss, I do not wear perfume to work. I promise. I don't do that. Except on in-service days. But anyway, honestly, the packaging got me. More than anything, it was just the packaging. It looks like a chocolate bar and it's super cute. And oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Yay. Yay. I'm happy. Since it's about to be summer soon, I've been really obsessed with cover-ups, beach cover-ups. I bought like a couple already. A set from Target. I bought one from Temu. We'll get into that in a minute. So bought one from Amazon. And this one is black. And I hope that this one looks cute. I don't know. I hope that this is adorable on me. I don't know. This is a black one. It's just, oh yes. It comes with like a bikini top. You wear the top and then it has like the pants. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for it because my husband and I are going to Misquamicut for our anniversary. And it's like a little mini trip. And I'm so excited. And it's in between the school year ending and summer school starting for me. So I'm super excited. And I'm just like, ee! And in general, because we are going to Maine in August. And I just want to be cute. Like, especially like working my ass off, doing 75 hard, and also just in general, like, I want to feel good in what I wear. So if you've been here, I've been opening packages with weird stuff since like 2017, I think. Maybe even longer. A 2-pack of these magnetic wireless chargers. I never cared about this for my phone before, but I did get one from Temu and it does work and I do like it, but it is too short and unfortunately we are converting to USB-C. And I'm not a fan. You're supposed to be able to charge your phone, your AirPods, and it also comes with a little adapter so you can put it right on the USB-C and still use your USB stuff, which I love because my lamps are USB. There's so many cubes that are USB. Why? Why did you just decide one day to wake up and just ruin everyone's lives? Why? Excited. So I got 2 of them in here. One for me and one for David once his charger goes because he uses a wireless one too. All right, and then the next thing in here. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I really love when everyone was obsessed with like the ballerina aesthetic and I bought the jumpsuits, and yes, I've worn them. I do like them. But I wanted to get a like romper one for the summer, so I got this one from the brand OQQ. I have some shorts and pants by them that I do like. Love the shorts. Leggings, not a huge fan. And also pockets. Please put pockets in them, please. This little romper Very cute, just to wear in the summertime, wear around, work out in, whatever. Everywhere in the world. I am so sick of buying socks off Amazon thinking they're no-show socks for my Vans, and they're not. And I get them and I'm like, I can see the sock. This is not what I wanted. So this is my third time buying socks off Amazon. And we will see if they are no-show for specifically my Vans. Because if you know, you know. It just drives me crazy. Something different. I did an order on Rare Beauty on the actual website. I've been talking about it in my Get Ready With Me's on TikTok. Foundation and tinted moisturizer I use is too dark. Like the concealer I use is too light. We need a happy medium somewhere. And I decided to just bite the bullet, figure out how to open the box. This is cute. What? Sephora don't give you this. Back to what I was saying, my foundation, my tinted moisturizer are too dark, my concealer is too light, and I just wanted to get some other stuff as well. I actually don't remember what I bought, so this is gonna be an adventure for all of us. Oh, I already bought one of these, but it's another Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist because it was part of a set, I think, with something. I don't know. So I got another Mist Worthy matte lipstick because I love the liquid lipstick. Just, I don't know. Haven't been into liquid lipsticks lately, so I got the stick one. I think it was with this. I think it was with the blush. Soft Pinch Blush in Hope. Iconic colors that everyone likes. This is gonna be great for fall. I don't know if I'll use it in the summer. Maybe I will. Probably. I don't know. This feels really, really light compared to the one I have. Should I be concerned? I don't know. Oh, maybe not. This is in 190W, so that looks a lot better for my skin tone right now. So I can start wearing foundation again. I'll probably wear the other ones obviously when I'm tanner. I need some like stuff that looks like me now because going to work is a little scary. This one's in 20W. So yeah, well, that's a little light. I could always mix them. Concealer, oh no, this might be too, ooh. It might be too dark. Oopsie. Okay, cool. It's just a little bit darker than my really light one, which I don't mind the light one, but you know, just found some stuff out there. Really like the Rare Beauty formula. Perfect Strokes mascara, because everyone's been raving about it. Liquid Touch Sponge. Oh, the multitasking sponge, because I always love a good booty bender. Oh my god, my nose won't stop itching. The last package. So, obviously I did my video about Temu. I did mean everything I said in that video, but since that video, I've been exploring a little more. I've also been buying and returning a lot. Made another order on Temu. Pair of, they're supposed to be like jeans. I don't know if they are or not, but they're supposed to have like rips in them. I don't think they're jeans. I think they're just like pants, but I got them in a 2X just to be big. You know, that big baggy jean look, if you get what I mean. I bought a bunch of nose rings just for something different. I got like a butterfly, a little moon with a star, just to change it out because, you know, once the summer comes, maybe I will change it out to something cute. As far as when I'm at work, I cannot have anything other than a studs. Apple Watch band. I don't remember buying that, but cute. Another band. Could just add to the collection. And I got, oh, this I'm excited for. This is a meat chopper for when you like chop meat, when you make like tacos or ground beef or anything. I have a time with that. That's some French tip manicure nails, French manicure nails, and I thought they were gonna look, oh, those are going back. I got another pair of like cargo pants. I didn't even wear the pair I have yet. Let's be real. And here I am buying a white pair. I don't know. Might be going back. That's all I gotta say. Phone case. I need them like don't know. Very cute weekend case. It's just big and obnoxious like me. Hi. This sleep set I have seen all over Shein and I never bought it, and then I see it on Temu and I'm like, I'm buying it. So this is supposed to be like a cute little like flowery sleep set. Some of the stuff I get in person, I'm like, yee. Oh, here's another nose ring. Which one is this? I literally don't know which one this is, so we're just gonna, whatever. Set of French manicure nails. Why? Don't know. I think those are going back. Tank top that says brat because I still think I'm 21. This looks like it's gonna be gigantic, so I think this is gonna go back. Just bye-bye. Keychain that just says Scorpio on it because I'm a Scorpio, obviously, and I'm very proud of it. Another nose ring. It's a cute little butterfly. Oh my gosh. Got a little heart one, and then I got this pendant of like the Virgin Mary. Again, if you know, you know. I know it's from Temu, okay, but I love her. We love her, okay? At least in my world I do. I saw this. You know what's really funny too? I saw a girl do a video be like, where are all these websites just selling the same items for different prices? Such as the Marc Jacobs tote bags, like the dupe bags that you see on Amazon. They're on Temu. Are you getting them for cheaper? Probably. But you a longer wait time. So it's like you pick your battle. I saw this on Amazon first, but then I saw it on Temu. And she's really cute. It comes with a pouch. I don't know if I'll ever use the pouch, but the purse comes with this strap that you're supposed to like literally belt through it, but it's just gonna be so cute. Summertime, hello. Maybe this would be my travel bag in Maine, I don't know. A random find that I was like, wait, that's the same bag that I saw on Amazon for like $20 cheaper. With that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very chill haul, very chill unboxing. A new thing now is when I buy something and it comes in the mail, save that as a reward after I get back from my workout. I'm like, yay, now you get a present to open. Like, is that a little weird? Probably. Is it a little, yeah. It's my money, and I spend it the way I choose to, so the way I choose to. This is the way I choose to spend my money. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away and make myself some dinner, but I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell notifications so when I post a new video. And if you guys want to see more hauls like this of like stuff I buy, chill after work, this is what we're doing. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be posting. I've been feeling good. And why do I low-key want to put this on my phone right now and then just go to work with it and be like, yeah, this is my teddy bear phone. I have so many cases still, guys. I'm actually trying to get rid of some. There may be more coming to my Poshmark, even though I'm over it right now. So I don't need to live life in excess, but there are certain things that I like that I obviously buy, like this bag. I really love this bag a lot. I just spent, while my camera was reheating itself or cooling down, I fixed it so I can wear it the way that I want. I don't know. It's probably not going to be like this, but I don't know. Just as like a shoulder bag for the summer. It'd be cute. Or I could just wear it like around myself. It feels like really good quality too, which is shocking. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.